Her laugh is considered an evil desire. That's just how this particular friend of yours is. However, when you wake up, she is still fast asleep and hard to wake. It seems there was a mistake in the potion she brewed, as you found bottles of potion scattered beside the bed. Now you need to enter their dream to save them. In the dream, it is full of emotional instability and many contradictions in the behavior of every person you encounter within it. You see your friend looking really sad about losing 50-50 from Gacha, as her dream reflecting actions that should not have happened. But since you're a good friend, so you decide to rescue them anyway. Actually, there's something interesting in this episode of Little Witch Academia. The scene where Sucy tries to kill her own personal within her dream is actually intended to eliminate her negative emotions, feelings, and memories she experienced. This process keeps repeating itself every time she falls asleep. That's why, when you wake up, you often feel refreshed and ready to plan your next steps. Of course, you forgot some emotions you felt before. However, because Akko was interrupted this process, all those negative emotions piled up and transformed into a monster that attempted to devour the real Sucy, which mean her own memories. Even though bad dreams are often associated with unfulfilled or failed ambitions, this doesn't mean you should bow your head in despair and lament your situation. In this anime, Akko is portrayed as someone who works tirelessly, never gives up, and always looks for solutions to every problem. Even in Sucy's dream sequence, she sees Akko as a fool. Sucy believes that because Akko is foolish, Akko doesn't understand the concept of sadness or how to dwell on failure. Indeed, when you don't grasp the full impact of cause and effect, you keep pushing forward without worrying about failing or overthinking, what if this happens, or what if that goes wrong, which often holds you back from moving forward. Akko's character in this anime serves as a valuable life lesson we can apply in our own lives.